I'm not crazy for trying, and I'm crazy for you.
Hi besties, welcome back. Right now I'm right outside Sephora and I'm gonna be doing some makeup shopping. Once again, for the third time's a charm, we're gonna be hurting the wallet. I have a shopping problem. Say hello! Hello! So let's go into Sephora and start this little makeup adventure. Let's do it. This is today's outfit. Okay, we made it right outside. Let's go. Right outside the girl. We made it inside and we're looking at the little Summer Fridays display, or just all the displays that are right in the front. And my sister, I didn't even know they had these. The hot cocoa. The hot cocoa smells so good. I want to eat it. Summer Fridays just came out with this new, smells so good, called hot cocoa. I've never tried anything from Reply. They have so many things. I didn't even know they sold it actually in Sephora. Maybe I'm stupid.
This is something you've probably seen.
Oh, I've seen that. One. Yeah. My sister was saying that she's seen this brush. I've not seen it, but it is so soft. Oh my god, I want it. They're also pretty stocked up. From List Beauty is actually where I got my contour stick from because I saw it all over my TikTok. This is the best bronzer stick ever. My sister's saying she wants to try out the Refi primer. I don't know. I've heard people say that it's not the most like hygienic thing ever, so I'm a little doubtful about it.
Well, I put Andrea on to the best concealer ever, and now she loves it. It's over here. Miss Kosas. She brightens and hydrates. She's the best concealer. It doesn't crease. It's light. It's hydrating.
They are also all stocked up. I've also heard so many things about this powder, but I've never tried it out. So if you guys can tell me if you guys like it or not. Pretty stocked up as well. This is what I've been wanting to try. I've convinced myself not to get it. So I'm definitely gonna think about it because I've been wanting to try it, and anything that's for my skin, I live for it. So this is their like SPF, which I've also heard so much about, but I'm not really interested. I'm a little scared of using sunscreens and stuff for my skin because I use, what's that one sunscreen that people were using? The Supergoop. I tried it out and it literally burned my skin.
Perfect for me, and I have really sensitive skin.
So I'm so scared of trying like other brands besides like specifically SPF like brands. Too scared. Kosas also has so many lip stuff, so many shades, but like none of it is exactly like the lip color that I strive towards. Are these brow stuff? See what they're made of.
And scratching my skin. She's there. She's just giving nothing.
We're gonna blame it on the tester, I hope. This brand was like everything. Now I have this because my mom gave it to me because she didn't love it. And honestly, I don't use it on my brows. I use it on like my baby hairs when I slick my hair up. I remember these palettes. I remember being little and wanting these so bad. I still have this and I actually really like it. My sister's looking at these beauty bombs from Anastasia. They're like skin tints. And she says that she's seen people say that they're your skin but better. I like the packaging though, it's nice. I know I say this every time I make a Sephora video, but this setting spray is the best thing ever. Best thing to ever exist. You guys need to get it. It makes my makeup last all day and it looks so pretty and feels so good. I might restock on her because I literally use her all the time. She is the best thing ever. And they have a couple different versions depending your skin type and like what you kind of want your end product to be.
So this is an extra
This is so
infused premium look. Setting spray, mascara, brow gel, and a blush. And then this one is like a soup. I think it's an espresso, the energy drink.
So these are holiday sets. I was about to say these are perfect to like give. I feel like they make fun little gifts.
Wild caught lashes.
This one's so cute. I love their packaging. And again, I know this is something I say every video, but this is my absolute favorite brow gel. I swear by it, and I've put all of my friends on. They have it right over here. I am obsessed. And it's a pretty good price, and for what it does to your brows. I have it on right now, and like look at the brows. My sister's looking at the Benetton. Oh!
The other day I stole one from you, and it looked so good on top of my rose. I'm taking this one. Andrea recommended it.
Favorite brand ever. I absolutely love it. Like, look at her. She's so beautiful. This right here is what I use on my skin. I don't like using foundation. Some skin tints are too heavy, but I absolutely love this because it just covers up what it needs to and it still leaves it very skin-like. It's so beautiful. I use Dune. This is literally the best product ever. I've also been wanting to try this tinted lip oil because one of my friends has it and I absolutely love it, but I did buy it one time and I got the wrong shade. I wanted this sangria color and I don't know how I ended up with something completely different. Let's see. Perfect. I haven't tried anything else out from Merit, but if you guys have and you guys love anything, let me know because I want to try stuff out. Put me on. This is the best concealer ever. I absolutely love it. It's the Born This Way concealer. It's definitely higher coverage, so it's not for everyone, but I personally love it so much. I'm literally wearing that concealer right now and I love it. I have pretty dark eye circles and I feel like it covers them pretty well, and I don't know, I love it. And I have dry skin and I feel like it doesn't feel too drying on me personally. Too Faced will never fail with their packaging.
I just want to buy it because of the packaging. This looks so beautiful.
Too Faced actually sent me this setting spray and I absolutely loved it. I ran out and I rebought it myself. It is such a good setting spray and it smells so good, and they're fully stocked today. I've never tried the original though. These are, I think, more of like the newer side blushes. These are cloud ones. I have, I think, Candy Cloud, Golden Hour. I think I have Golden Hour and Watermelon Rain, and I absolutely love them. And just look at the packaging. It is so cute. They also sent me over these right here, and I've only tried out one, but they smell so good. Look at how cute they are. And obviously they have their iconic lippies, their lip injections. Like, look at this one. It is so beautiful. I remember these blushes when they were super popular. I've only ever tried this one right here. They were so good back in the day, and I think you just got one recently, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I haven't tried it.
Oh, thank you. Right now, my sister and I are looking at their blushes.
There's a mini dew.
Yeah, but oh no, they have it right here, no?
No, that's the lip.
They have the glowy super gel, which I tried and I didn't love personally. They don't have any of these sets. I would love to try like this color out. It's so pretty.
This one.
That one's really pretty. They have a couple different shades. I think
How much are they? 25? Oh,
I like this one.
Chili. That's exactly what I just grabbed, bestie.
Oh,
Thank you.
these bronzers I absolutely love. I got them not too long ago, and the first time I tried them I didn't love, but the second time around I use it all the time now. Like, I'm literally wearing it right now and it's so slay. There's another little holiday set. This is a Hydro Grip primer pack. This is cute. These were like the ones that went viral on TikTok.
They're giving nothing.
I know.
Yeah, they're super cute and I love this.
It's a lip and cheek stain, so that kind of makes sense on why they're a little bit lighter.
Okay, two things I wanted to try from Tower 28. First, this spray, this spray. I've seen that after, like, especially after our spin class, that we should spray it. And this one, 4 of them for 20 bucks. These little minis. So I kind of want to get these. They have a rescue kit, so it's the whole kit. I think I'm going to take all of them.
They're so tiny. It's giving like the Summer Fridays, but I absolutely love the colors. I'm more of a fan of like these two. I've heard so much about this Tower 28 spray, but I've never pulled the trigger and bought it. So now I'm gonna be able to try it because they have one left of hot cocoa.
It leaves no color, but it smells so good.
They're literally fully stocked, which this is rare. I literally have like every shade, but they had one left of this one, which is the one we saw at the front. That smelled so good. They literally have this little set right here, and it comes with, they also have this little set, which I love these little mini ones, but I already have these except for these two. Look at this bag. We can't pay for food, but we can pay for makeup. This right here is my everyday scent. I'm not a perfume girl. It smells amazing. But it's so upsetting because they don't make a big 71 like this. Like, I need one of these. The biggest of the 71 they make is this one, which is that size right there. I need one of these because I wear it every day. Also, can Sol de Janeiro make a set for this? Like the little cream and everything, the Bum Bum cream, because they only have it for the pink one. They have even like a big Momo. I need all of that, but for the 71. Here's another set that comes with these for anybody that either loves Sol de Janeiro or they've never tried it out. I feel like this is such a good little gift so they can test out which scent they like. From Drunk Elephant, I've only ever tried this and I absolutely loved it for my dry skin. It felt so nice before putting on my makeup. I loved it. They have a couple sets over here.
It's great for your makeup to look glowy, and it also, like, it's so hydrating and your skin doesn't feel tight.
These are the ones that like went viral on TikTok, but I felt like they were too expensive, and I already have moisturizers that I really like.
I've tried almost all of them because my parents buying the littles is the best thing you can do because it comes with so many of them and it lets you try like literally almost all of them.
This is why like these are literally perfect little gifts, having the little sets, because then you can see what you like and what you don't like, and then you can come and pull the trigger and buy like the big size if you do like something. I think this would be a cute set for anyone that's like a big Glow Recipe fan. That's cute. These are so cute.
And look at these.
Yeah, I don't know what this brand is either.
The price points are like pretty good. They're not like exaggerated.
Cute. Hi Riri, Miss Girl is right there. Guys, I really want to get my ears pierced. I already have like my main ear pierced, but I really want to get like more things like this. Should I? It looks good on her.
The hair stuff.
I know, it's because their holiday things are so slim. And I love how it comes with like a little bag. Here is Miss Tart. Last time I need hibiscus, raspberry. I absolutely love this. It looks so good. I always get compliments when I use it. I definitely need to get another one, but today is not the day. I think I'm already breaking the bank a little bit. So next time we come, I'll restock.
So when I was in high school, my mom didn't want to buy me more face powder. And so I started using her bronzer to set my whole face. The hula. I used it to set my whole entire face, and my mom would always tell me, you need to stop wearing makeup, and it was because I used that one.
I was gonna get their eyeliner last time. I didn't end up getting it. I'm getting it this time because I'm such an eyeliner girl. I need to try this out. Oh my god, Rare Beauty, hello. Also, this is also what I use for my skin. I use shade 3. I know people have mixed feelings about it, but I really recommend it. I think it makes my skin look so nice. If you're not like a foundation girl, I mix it with the Merit complexion stick.
Liners are the best.
Lip liners, like they're pricey, but they're so good. I love Super Size Me because I know everyone loves the Pillow Talk, but I'm a Super Size Me girl. They have their little sets. I got this last Christmas. Oh, I got this last Christmas too. This mini section is what gets everybody. Like, it's where they have the best things. My sister started buying this and I just bought it for myself. The best setting spray, no doubt. Like, this one actually leaves your makeup on all day.
I'm restocking on this.
She's restocking.
Extra strength.
Can't get enough of this. My sister's saying that their bronzer is really good, and Miranda also has it, and I've made her like let me use it, and I absolutely love it. It's so good.
And this, the best ever, the balm. It's like
He has really good
so
products.
creamy. Repurchased it 3 times.
I do have this blush. I love it. It's such a beautiful pink. Like, look at her. We ended up looking through our cart so we don't go overboard what we're deciding to get.
Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you.
Okay guys, we got our good, successful shopping trip. Okay guys, so we had our little successful Sephora shopping trip. I did feel a little followed the whole time because I think they thought like we were trying to do some bad stuff. Like, yo, I'm just trying to get my little video. But we had a good little trip and we got the goodies, so yeah. Okay guys, we got the goods. If you guys end up going to Sephora, let me know what you guys get. Also, let me know if you guys saw me browsing around anything or any specific brand that you're like, oh my god, she needs to try this out, she needs to get this. Please let me know in the comments or like DM me, whatever, because I love trying new products out. Are we happy with our purchases?
Yes.
Perfect.
Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying?